We tell children, don't be afraid of the dark. But the darkness of Alzheimer's and dementia is terrifying. Don't be afraid. The Alzheimer's Dementia Connection of Lake Havasu is ready to help. Alzheimer's is treatable. If you have questions about these dreaded conditions, don't wait. Contact us. Let us show you the light. Your memories are yours to keep for life. The darkness of Alzheimer's and dementia will be brightened just a bit next Friday, here at Desert Rose on Mesquite Boulevard. Tracy Burgess and her family run this beautiful place.
Well, we are hosting a fundraiser for them. It's Friday, August 23rd from 5 to 8, and we're donating back 50% of all jewelry purchases and 20% of all other purchases. Just a way to help them raise some money and support them in the community. And we're going to have raffle prizes and we'll have refreshments. It's just going to be a really fun evening and a great way to, I call it shop for the cause. Do a little shopping, and in return the Alzheimer's and Dementia Connection will get some money back.
Tracy and her family go way back.
We started back in 1988. My parents started the business. I moved here in 1989, and it has just grown. My mother and I do all the buying for the store. We travel all over trying to find unique and different items for Desert Rose, and we're very eclectic. We have, Western, Southwestern, traditional, great place to get gifts, home accessories. It's just a fun place to be. It's definitely a labor of love, that is true. But we love what we do. I don't have a problem coming to work every day. It's almost like Christmas because we get stuff every day, and so we're opening packages, and even though I was the one that ordered it, it's still fun to get it in and put it out, and the excitement of the customers. I have customers that come in weekly just to see what's new because we get stuff that frequently.
So mark your calendar, next Friday the 23rd from 5 to 8. Make a point to drop by and find a new treasure for your home or office. It will brighten your day. And the Alzheimer's Dementia Connection of Havasu's as well. Jim Matthews, Havasu Video News.